My Air System Heating and Air Conditioning. When we get the call and hear you say, "My air system is not working," we know there's a problem that needs to be solved, and you can count on us. My Air System is family owned and operated with 15 years experience in the HVAC industry. So whether you're looking to repair your existing system or replace it for a new one, when you call and set up an appointment, we'll send a qualified technician to answer all your questions and concerns. At My Air System, we service all makes and models: spit systems, package units, heat pumps, air handlers, and more. We're located in Southern California and offer our services to the Inland Empire and its surrounding cities. Upon our arrival, we like to take the time to hear how your system was working before it broke down, what the problem is now, and how you would like your system to better comfort you. The technician will do a complete diagnostic of the system's operation. We guarantee that our diagnostics are reliable and honest. Once completed, he'll explain what the problem is and what can be done to repair it. We also offer regular maintenance agreement. Your system works hard every season, and just like you take your car in for maintenance to keep it up and running, we recommend that you have maintenance done twice a year, before summer and before winter. My Air Systems offer free in-home estimates for your convenience. If it's time to have your system replaced, or if your old one is just running your electric bill through the roof, take advantage of the different options we have to offer. Thank you for considering My Air System. We look forward to serving you. My Air System Heating and Air Conditioning. Licensed, bonded, and insured.